Oh, you're a big bully. Break them up so we can... Oh yes, you're a big dominant one, aren't you? You're not even hungry, are you? Where are you? You're going to chase the other one off. You are such a greedy seagull. Yes you are. You're greedy. Chippy. Now chase the other one off again. Chase them all off. Yeah, there we go. Oh, you're too busy being a bully to eat your food, and they're getting it. They're smarter than you. Chippy, chippy, chip. Chippy, chippy, chip. Oh, yummy. Want a chippy? Chippy. Here we go. Come on then. There we go. Oh.
Look at that one, sucking it down. Ready? Come over this way. Eat. He likes it in bite-sized pieces.
Cut it up for me, Mummy. You're a very, what's the word? Entitled. You're an entitled seagull. It's just there. It's just there.
Ready? Ready? Jump.
Two scaredy seagulls over there.
Yeah, there's a little piece of fish. Ready?
Oh, some fish, aren't you lucky?